Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the message tone on the Signal app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Signal app and tap on your profile image or initials in the top left corner. In the settings, tap on Notifications. At the top of the notifications page, tap on Message Sound. You have quite a few different sounds to choose from. Tap on a sound to preview it. If you would like to, you have the option to use a custom sound. To do this, tap Add Custom Sound at the bottom of the sounds list. Tap Browse, then find your sound and add it. When you have chosen your sound, tap Save in the top right corner. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Signal tips and tricks.